Hi everyone, welcome back to my heavenly babies. I'm Angel and I'm back today to do another unboxing, adding another baby in 2024. So we'll go over and see the baby, tell you what sculpt the baby is, the gender, and the name. And this baby was a trade baby with my friend Alyssa. It started with, I traded my Topanga, and I'm going to show you Topanga right on the screen there. I traded Topanga for Joseph, my Joseph now. That was the Martin sculpt. So I traded her for the Martin sculpt, and I call him Joseph Joe. And then I got Topanga back, and when I got Topanga back, I was going to not get her back to keep her, but back to do her painting, art, and her hair, root her hair and all that, give her eyelashes and all that. And in trade for that, I got Bambi, which was the Noah sculpt. And I'll show you a picture of her. And I called her Bambi. And we've been talking, and she gets babies, back and forth. She does a lot of trading and selling. She paints babies and everything and sells them. And she got this unique baby here in trade, and she was showing it to me, and I said, oh my God, I love that baby. That is so unique. I love unique babies. I love babies that have that, uniqueness about them, that have things to them that are realistic, that are things that do happen to babies, realistic things, such as milk spots and all of that. And so I was really intrigued by this baby. And I asked her what sculpt it was and all that. And then I said, hey, I know how much you've been wanting Bambi back, because ever since I got Bambi, the Noah, which is Noa, because it's supposed to be based off a girl, I believe. And I think it was G. Legler, I think, is the sculpt name, the sculptor. But anyways, she always said, if you ever get rid of her, ever want to trade her, she's been seeing I've been getting rid of babies out of my collection, please let her know. So I said, I was trying to think, I said, do you want my Skylar? And she goes, no, I'm not really interested in the Skylar. And we were kind of going over, and I said, what about Bambi? Do you want Bambi back? I had a great bond with Bambi. I do love Bambi, but I know how much she loved Bambi and wanted Bambi back if I ever did trade. And I wanted this baby so bad. I really did. So she said yes in a heartbeat. And she's got Bambi back. And she actually has Bambi as a boy. Now, Bambi is a boy name. If you remember Bambi from the Disney, the deer, that actually is a boy's name. So I think she's keeping the name Bambi, but she has that baby as a boy. I told you, I always seen that baby as a boy too. I always did. And I didn't click that Bambi was actually a boy's name. It was a boy based off the boy deer, from the cartoon Bambi Disney movie. So I told her that yesterday, and she goes, oh, good, because I wanted to keep the name Bambi, but I want this baby as a boy. I said, I know. That's what I kept telling you. That baby looks so much like a boy. So she got Bambi back, and now I get to have this baby here, really unique baby. So we're going to go ahead and open this baby. This baby is not going to be for everybody, and that's okay, but I love him, and that's all that matters. The only thing about this baby I wasn't crazy about is the hair. So this baby was done by a very high-end artist, and I will, I think I know the artist on here. It's got the COA and everything, but somebody did, I think it was sold as a bald baby, and somebody tried to draw the hair on it. So I'm not crazy about the hair, how it's done. So for now, I'm just going to put a hat on it and eventually just redraw, go over the hair. I'm not going to strip it, because you'll understand when you see this baby. This baby, you don't want to strip, because you'll ruin this beautiful art that they did on this baby. So I'm going to have to go through it maybe with dark, or go through it with blondes or something to fix it. But yeah, I will show you guys all of that. So the hair isn't the greatest, but I said that's okay, because I really like the baby. So let's get to it, you guys. Enough talking, right? I got the addresses covered, so I'm just going to open it up here and make sure I keep everything covered. All right, and it's not a very big box, but the baby is folded up in there. So we'll look at the little surprises first in here. She did send me a couple little, I think I even got a couple little girl things, boy things, like a little variety here. So we got a little onesie. It says love, cuddle, dance. And it's an elephant on there. That's cute for a smaller baby. This is a smaller baby, you guys. And I'm not really into small babies, but I love this baby. I was so intrigued by this baby. I was. Like, the art that they did on this baby is what intrigued me. And then a little hat here. Aw, that's cute. Look at that hat, you guys. Thank you, Alyssa. And then we got a little onesie. A onesie. I always call it a onesie. A lovey, I mean. A lovey. But that doesn't necessarily mean that it is a girl, you guys. Doesn't necessarily mean. She just put a few little surprises in there for me. So it could be a girl, it could be a boy. We don't know yet. I mean, I know. But we'll show you guys. This little sleeper. So you see that this baby is smaller. Look at a little sleeper. It's got a giraffe, elephant, pandas, zebras on it. Really cute. So little. Yeah, little, preemie. All right. And now we'll pull the baby out of this pack or sack that it's in. Okay. And there's a couple more other little things down in here. So we'll open this little outfit. I like how she did it. It says thank you on it. They're little outfits and it's got the stuff on it. But I was given little girl stuff here, and it is a little boy. Just so you guys know, it is a little boy. So, but it could be a girl. We'll have to just see. But it is a little boy. So we got some preemie onesies. And this one here says, hello, pretty princess. And this one's just got floral on it. All right. And then we do have the COA here. We've got a blanket at the bottom. See, she was saying, I don't really have boy stuff, so I can send girl stuff to you. Because I do, not sure if that stuff will fit one of my babies. I don't really have real small babies right now. But hopefully it'll fit, just because the onesies, you know, can fit. Probably, yeah, I think it would fit one of my babies. So we also got a pink blanket. Can always use a blanket. That can go for any girl. And then I got the COA stuff in here. So we'll put this aside and I'll show all you guys that after. And there's one more thing in here that I'll show you after I check out this baby. So, all right. So we're going to go ahead and open this baby, this little boy. Seems to be a really good weight. I like the weight on it. And I do know that she did say that the face is covered with a diaper. So that's good. All right, here we go. First off, oh, he is teeny. Oh my gosh, he's teeny. He definitely is a preemie baby. Preemie baby. You can see the little hands. And we're going to go over all of that because there's some unique stuff about this baby. So let's go ahead and undress this baby. I do really like his weight. He's weighted, I can't remember. I'll look at the COA. He's weighted really good, but oh, he is teeny tiny. Oh, how adorable. Isn't that funny when you see pics of the baby? They always look bigger than what they are when you get them in person. Oh my goodness, I love this skin tone. Definitely a newborn red skin tone. Definitely. Also could be pulled off as an ethnic. This one could be, but it's a reddish color. It is more of that deep Indian like red. So, you know, definitely could be pulled off as that. But because of the hair, no, unless I do the hair dark. So we'll have to see how we're going to do it. But, oh, he is so tiny. The uniqueness so far right now, you guys, I'm in love. I love the texture to this baby. I love babies that are textured. That's my favorite part is a textured baby. All right, let me show you how teeny tiny this little guy is. Look at his little leg next to my hand. Look at that. Oh, so adorable. But here's what I want to show you. Look at all the dryness to this baby, all that dry skin. Look. That was given to this baby. You see his foot right there, all that dry skin that they did. Very beautiful toes. Oh my gosh. Like I said, it was done by a very good artist. I don't know if somebody went over the baby and did more and the artist did all. I mean, she doesn't know anything. Look at that little foot. Look at my finger. Oh my goodness. It's not even, it's smaller than my pinky. You know, like the length of my pinky. Mwah. Oh, baby, you have the cutest little feet. Oh, I really love the feeling of him. Very good veining throughout him and mottling. I'm not sure if you can see all that. And then his hands. Look at the dryness to the hands. Look at the hands, the fingertips on it. Look at the dryness and the open hand. Isn't that stunning? Oh my gosh, I love him. Oh, I love uniqueness, you guys. And it gets better. Wait till you see the face. It's just that hair. Oh, his hands are so tiny. Look at his hand to my finger. Oh my goodness, teeny tiny little guy. And I do believe it's going to remain a boy because I'm a boy mom and I already had a name picked out. So we're going to do this together. I want to know if, yeah, the hair's not covered. So that's okay. You guys will get to see the hair too because I was going to share that with you guys anyways. So we're going to go ahead and just open to the face and then I'll show you that and then we'll show the hair. So 1, 2, and what sculpt was this again? So I can say it when I open it. I forget what sculpt it is. Wait, I'm sorry, guys. I want to know what sculpt it is when I open it. I don't know if you guys know this sculpt. You probably do. A lot of you people out there that, you know, own a lot of Reborns or been in the Reborn community for a long time, you know the sculpts. This one here is, I believe it's the Romeo. Let me see here. Yeah, Romeo. I was right. The Romeo by Serene Pirate or Pirate. I'm not sure. Authentic vinyl doll kit, limited edition, number 142 of 2000. So it was a limited edition. Here's the authenticity. And there's the baby on the back. It's not the picture of this exact, you know, the painting of this baby. This baby was painted differently. This is just that baby that somebody had painted. But there it is there. So you guys can see the Romeo. He is a Romeo. But this is an actual photograph that they took of him. And I'm not going to show you till I open it. But that is unique. Oh my gosh. Thank you so much, Alyssa, for sending that to me. All right. 1, 2. Let me get him up here. 3. Oh my God. Look at him. I'll just take it off. Look at him. Look at his face. You guys, look at all those little baby pimples and like milk spots, you know, like under the skin where they get that, like it gets trapped under the skin, you know, like little milk spots or whatever. Look at the lip, the suck bump, how it's got that dryness. Look at the veining on him. Holy cow. That is so good. And you feel the texture on this baby. It's amazing. You are a little Romeo. Yes, you are. But that's not going to be your name. Oh, his ear. Look at his ear. It's so tiny. He's so tiny. But now here's the hair. And it's not as bad as I thought. In pictures, it kind of looked kind of bad. It's not as bad as I thought, but I definitely want the hair to be... I think I'm going to go darker with the hair. I'm not sure. But anyways, there's the hair. And this is what I was talking about. And I think now when I was asking, what is that green? I think that's the veining. So he's got the veining throughout it. But see how they kind of did the hair? And I know that an artist that did this artistry on this baby would have never done the hair like this. So it was probably sold bald being such a small baby. And actually, I think, unless that's just, I was going to say, I wonder if I had seen hair in it. No, maybe it was rooted. But no, so somebody just did something with the hair, but it is cute. It's not ugly. I thought it looked worse. Like in person, it looks a lot better than I thought it was going to look. So I guess I'm not going to be too upset about it, but I do want to add some dark through it, I think, to just maybe browns through it and just have some shades. But oh my gosh, look at my little Romeo. Oh my God, I love that dry skin. Look at his hands. The darkness of him is definitely that newborn color. Like I said, because he is tiny. Very, very tiny and sweet. His weight is really good. Oh my gosh, look at in my arms how tiny he is. Boy, that is a newborn baby. He's got the little scratch on his nose, a little baby scratch. He's got, I think it was just the one scratch. Oh, there's one up above his eye too. But look at the art to this baby. And then here is the photograph. So whoever did him took a photograph of him. Look at that photograph and you can see all of his dry skin and all the little pimples and stuff on him. See the 2 scratches now, the one on the nose and the one up there. They did a good photo of this baby. Really good photo. He's got that dry skin even in the eye there. Oh my goodness, he's phenomenal. So yeah, the Romeo. I probably should have grabbed one of that little chair. But so he's the Romeo and I showed you that. And then there's other stuff that came with him. We've got the birth certificate. He was born on 11/12/23. I hope you guys can see him. He's so tiny. 11/12/23. He's 4 pounds 9 ounces. So, or 4.9 ounces. So he's almost 5 pounds and he's only 16 inches. He was born at 4:21 p.m. There's that. And then he's got another, a couple more photographs of him. Wow, that is so neat that he came with these photographs. I love that, you guys. Look at those unique photographs of him. Oh my gosh, so cool to have these. Thank you, Alyssa, which I knew she'd send everything. And then you just have a little like feet print. You got the girl or the boy. So if you decide what you want just for fun, the little feet print. And let's see which one he matches up to. He matches up. Looks like he matches up more to the girl feet. So that might be his real feet there that they did in the pink there. And then we've got a thank you for supporting my small business. And this is the Facebook Little Rays of Sunshine was the, I believe, the artist of this baby. You know, the one that did the painting on it. Because the actual kit is Serene Pirate or Pirate. And then Little Ray of Sunshine card here. It's Little Rays of Sunshine. They have a TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, Little Ray of Sunshine. Yeah, the card here. But yeah, this is, if you want to look into it, this would be all the information there of all the, I hope it's not backwards. I don't think it is. All the information to the artist of this one. But I love that they did photographs of him and everything. He did have that little hat, but I have a little hat like that. So I'm going to put it on him. But oh my gosh, I am in love. Look at how tiny, you guys. Doesn't he look real? Holy cow, he looks real. The last two babies I got are so realistic looking and just so tiny. I love his little toe thing that he has, you know, ankle hospital bracelet on him too. Just shows that he's a teeny, you know, very, very tiny baby, but a good weight for a baby this small. And he's got, you know, where the head goes back on him. He's floppy. He's weighted real good scrunch to him. You know, I like that. I am going to put one of those little things in him. I do got to kind of fix these ties though, because they're sticking out too far on him. But he was weighted really good. But oh my goodness, little guy, you are tiny. Yes, oh my God, she's so precious. Alyssa, I love him. I knew I was going to. Oh, holy cow, I love him. And then look at you guys. He also came with, and I'll just set it on just for a quick little view here. And it's got, like I said, this baby could be a little girl, but the thing here represents a little boy. So, but let me just show you this. I got to just put the diaper on it. First time I ever got one of these. I've never had one of these. And I'll do it the best I can to show. But he has got a breastplate. Of course, I did it fast and sloppy, and we're not, you know, doing a good view of this. But he's got the breastplate, and of course, it's got the belly button and then the little boy parts. But isn't that cool? I even got a breastplate. I've never, ever owned a breastplate. So this can be tied on him. That's what it has to be done, you know, tied on him so you can see it. But yeah, that would represent him as a little boy because he's got the little boy parts. So thank you, Alyssa, very much. And now we're going to tell everybody your name, little guy. This little guy here, I'm going to call, let's make sure I have the last name. Yes, I got it. Okay. We're going to call this little guy, and I'm naming him this time. My husband usually names all the babies, but this time I'm naming him. Meet little Leaf Phoenix. Yeah, that's what I'm going to call him, Leaf. Because he's small like a leaf. Yeah. And I'm going to do it the L-E-I-F. So this is little Leaf Phoenix. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and enjoyed the newest one. Oh, his head's so floppy. Enjoyed the newest baby in our collection, or my collection here, our collection, me and my husband. I'm not sure if she said he doesn't have a magnet or not. I'll have to check on that. If not, I'll put one in, excuse me. But, oh my God. Holy cow, I love you. Yes, look at all that. He is so perfect. He's perfect in every way. Little Leaf. All right, we're going to get going, you guys. But everybody take care. God bless. And I will see each and every one of you in my very next upload.